Hi there! In this short tutorial we are going to learn how to delete Telegram account permanently. Here's our Telegram. Go to the menu, click on Settings, go to Telegram FAQ, and here select Delete your Telegram account. Click on Deactivation page. Here you will be asked to insert your Telegram phone number, and they will send you confirmation code via Telegram. Copy that code and paste it here. And press Sign In. Right now, I don't want to delete my account. Press and it will be deleted. We hope you like it and share it with your friends. Comment below your opinion whether this tutorial helped or not. Thank you for watching and supporting us. Ta-ta for now!